In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Excel, whether you're using Excel on your desktop or online. Knowing how to sign in correctly helps ensure you can access all the features that Excel offers and keep your work seamlessly integrated across devices. So, let's dive right in. First, let's look at how to sign in to Excel on your desktop if you're using Microsoft 365. Begin by opening Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, you'll want to look to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will bring up a menu with several options, and what you're looking for here is Account. Click on it, and you'll see some account information displayed. If you notice that you're not currently signed in, don't worry. Just click on the Sign In option under your account information. This will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account details, which could be your personal Microsoft email or a work or school email. Type in your email address and your password. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Next to proceed to sign in. Once you're signed in, Excel will activate and stay tied to your account, which means you'll have all your documents, preferences, and settings ready whenever you open Excel. Now, let's move on to how you can sign in via the web to use Excel online. The first step here is to open your chosen web browser and navigate to office.com. Once the page loads, you'll typically see a Sign In button located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this button will prompt you to log in using your Microsoft account details or your work or school account credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Office homepage. Look for the App Launcher, sometimes known as the ribbon menu, and select the Excel icon from the options available. Clicking on this icon will take you directly to Excel Online, where you can start working on your spreadsheets right in your browser. These steps allow for easy access to Excel, whether you prefer working on your desktop or managing tasks on the go with the online version. Remember, once you're signed in, your account seamlessly syncs your data so you can pick up right where you left off, regardless of the device you're using. That wraps up our guide on signing in to Microsoft Excel. I hope this has been helpful and that you're now able to sign in with ease, making your workflow more efficient and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.